Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at the LG WM6700HBA. A smart front-loading washing machine that offers excellent cleaning performance and impressive flexibility. The LG WM6700HBA is a front loader with a decent-sized 5 cu. Fort. Drum that can easily slide under a counter. The LED light inside the drum makes loading and unloading a breeze. But if you need more flexibility without taking up additional floor space, there are options for expansion. You can stack a compatible tumble dryer on top using the stacking kit, or you can opt for the regular pedestal or the 27-inch Sidekick pedestal washer. The Sidekick adds a second, smaller washing drum to the bottom of the machine, allowing you to do 2 loads simultaneously. The control system is simple yet comprehensive, with a front dial and LCD display showing the default wash options for each cycle. The washing machine includes all the standard wash cycles, as well as an AI wash that automatically adjusts based on the load, bedding, delicates, towels, and a quick wash for smaller loads. Additional cycles, including hand, wool, activewear, swimwear, kidswear, and jeans, can be accessed via the settings menu. You can also override default settings for wash temperature, spin speed, and soil level to suit your specific needs. This is a smart washing machine with LG Think app compatibility. Using the app, you can easily set wash cycles and get detailed explanations of each one. The remote start feature allows you to operate the machine remotely, but it will only start once the machine is loaded and turned on, ensuring safety. Detergent dosing is made easy with LG's Easy Dispense system. Simply add liquid detergent and fabric softener to the reservoirs, and the machine will dose automatically. This saves time and makes the washing process more efficient. Now let's talk about performance. During the normal wash with warm water, the LG WM6700HBA's estimated running cost was 21 cents per cycle. The water retention was 46.84%, indicating decent performance in spinning water out of the clothes. Stain removal was good, although a faint hint of the red wine stain remained. Switching to the cold wash, running costs dropped significantly to just 8 cents per cycle. Water retention also decreased to 44.79%, making this an economical option for lightly soiled items. For heavily soiled items, the heavy-duty test with warm water had a higher running cost of 54 cents per cycle, but the water retention dropped to 42.84%. Cleaning performance was excellent, although the ketchup stain was slightly more prominent than in other cycles. Overall, the LG WM6700HBA is a smart front-loading washing machine with competitive running costs, great cleaning results, and impressive flexibility. With the option to expand it with a pedestal washer, it becomes an even more attractive choice. That's it for our review of the LG WM6700HBA. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more tech reviews on Product Critique. See you next time.